Does an African channel pays off, or does a channel with African countries' geography pays off on YouTube? Does your dedication and consistency go into pays off? On this video, I will show you how much I have earned so far on my African YouTube channel with an African country's geography in a month. As you know, YouTube is paying creators based on 1,000 viewers, and according to Google said that YouTube is generally paying $1 to $30 for every 1,000 viewers. But as a creator with an African country's audience, don't expect that huge amount of money for 1,000 viewers. According to the Google, again said that YouTube typically pays content creators between 30 cents and $3 for every 1,000 views on long-form videos in African countries. You see, without any much talk, let's go into my YouTube studio dashboard and see how much I have able to made in a month as a YouTube creator with an African country's viewers.
So guys, this is my studio dashboard. Let's go to the month of May. I think it's the month that I have got paid. Okay, so this is the month. You see, in May, people watch my video 5,550,000. You see, on that channel in the month of May, I have viewers of 500,000. Okay, and I have 17,000 watching hours and 15,000 subscribers. Okay, let's go down to see, and this is my top videos. You see, this is my top videos. So let's go to the content to see more on the channel before going to the revenue. You need to know more to see my African country geography, my audience from there. So the channel, on the content option, the channel got 548,000 viewers and 4,400,000 impressions. And the channel got 9.8 impression click-through rate. Okay, and the average view duration is 1.1 minute and 52 seconds. So you see how the channel performs or the views. You see from here it's set going up and down. You see how the statistic is. Okay, let's go down to see more. Okay, you see people still watching my videos from 30 seconds. The first video is 98% and more, you see. Okay, so how viewers find my videos. So viewers find my video through browse features. You see, my videos is through browse features, which is people are searching it. Okay, so, and the second one is YouTube search. The third one is suggested videos and notification, YouTube other features and other. So this is my top videos: 1,151 viewers. You see, and all. So let's go now to the audience, my audience. From there you will see the top country geography. Okay, let's go to the in that month my audience is 200,000 and 32 and 15,000 subscribers, as you see. Okay, this is my audience watch behaviors. Most of my viewers in that month are new viewers, and then casual viewers, and then my regular viewers. So this is the popular with the brand audience. Okay, you see. So video grow with audience high, very high. This is the channel my audience watch. Okay, so this is not necessary. Let's go to the okay, here is the device type that my audience owns. So most of my audience are watching from mobile phones and TV and computer, then tablet. Okay, watch time from subscribers. Most of my audience didn't subscribe, they only watch 90% of them. Okay, so the top geography, let's first talk of this age and gender. So most of my viewers are male are 80% and female are 90%, and their age are from 13 to 17 2%, from 18 to 24 26%, and from 25 to 34 are 53%, from 35 to 44 are 13%, and more. Okay, let's come to the main thing, the top geography. Okay, the top geographies. Okay, most of my geography, which is the country Nigeria owns 47.5%, and then Libya owns 14.5%, and Algeria 7.6%, Cote d'Ivoire 6.8%, and Niger also 6.7%. You see, all the country geography are from Africans, all are Africans countries. So as you see on my top geography are from African countries. Let's go to the revenue. So in the month I have generated 184.62 cents. Yeah, that is not bad. That is not too bad. Okay, you see how I have earned the statistic of the end. You see, so let's check how much they pay per 1,000 viewers. So they pay 3.45 per. They pay me 0.34 dollars, which is cents per 1,000 viewers. In 548 viewers, I have made $184. So that is not too bad. I think the video is very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and share for more videos. Thanks.